Hey there gamers, in this video I'm going to show you how to get leather strips in Gothic 1 Remake. Leather strips are a material required for crafting the saddle needed to acquire the mount later in the game. It's important to get these early so you don't need to backtrack once you reach the NPC that rewards the mount. First things first, you need to be in the old camp. What you'll want to do is stand in front of Thorus, then turn left and follow this linear path. Keep walking along this path, and once you see the red house, you'll know you're about halfway to the location. Continue following the path, and you'll eventually reach the blacksmith shed. Ignore the NPC inside. And if you look closely to the right, you'll find 2 leather strips on the table. All you need to do is steal these leather strips without getting caught so you can obtain them for free. These are required for crafting the saddle for the mount, which you'll be able to acquire later. And that's how to get leather strips in Gothic 1 Remake. Please do drop a like and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.